Hey guys, I'm Nikki Sizemore. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. So sometimes we all need to just push a reset button, and today's recipe is perfect when you feel like you need a reboot or if you're just craving something super nutritious. I'm going to show you how to make my simple green smoothie, my no sugar green smoothie. So whether it's just after the holidays, or if you're just craving something creamy and delicious that's packed with vitamins and nutrients, this smoothie is what you need. It's super easy to make. We're just gonna use a handful of ingredients. This smoothie is high in fiber, it's high in protein, and it tastes delicious, even though you can make it completely sugar-free. So I have a huge sweet tooth, but I don't handle sugar well in the morning, so this is my go-to smoothie for breakfast. It's also one of our favorite snacks. Even my kids love this smoothie. Takes only minutes to make. I can't wait to show you how it's done, so let's head to the kitchen. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so that you don't miss out on any of my wholesome, family-friendly, and naturally gluten-free recipes. By the way, if you click that little notification bell, you'll be notified every time I post a new video. This smoothie uses just a handful of ingredients, and instead of using chalky, often highly processed protein powders, we're going to boost the protein using all-natural nut butters and seeds. You'll need a tablespoon each of ground flax seeds, chia seeds, and nut butter. I prefer peanut butter or almond butter, but you can use what you like. As far as the greens go, you'll need baby spinach or baby kale or a Power Greens mix. Unsweetened store-bought vanilla almond milk gives the smoothie creaminess and flavor, and then I'm sweetening the smoothie with stevia, or you can use half of a banana. Last but not least, a pinch of sea salt, and you have the option of adding a scoop of greens powder. I'll link to the one I use below. It's completely optional. Now let's make the smoothie. The unsweetened vanilla almond milk provides so much flavor without any added sugar. Pile in the greens, then add the ground flax seeds and the chia seeds, which are also a fantastic source of fiber. The nut butter not only provides protein, but also healthy fats, which are important for nutrient absorption. A pinch of sea salt provides electrolytes, and then you have that greens powder for added vitamins and minerals. To sweeten the smoothie, I'm using liquid stevia. You could use powdered stevia to taste, or you can use half of a frozen banana. Start the blender and then increase the speed to high. You'll need to blend this until it's completely smooth. In my Vitamix, it only takes about 30 seconds, but if you have a regular blender, it could take up to 2 minutes. This no sugar green smoothie is super creamy. It has a delicious flavor from the nut butter and the almond milk, and it has that sweetness from the stevia, or like I said, you could use banana. This recipe makes 1 large or 2 small smoothies. It is the perfect reset button when you're craving something healthy and delicious. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you give this simple, no sugar green smoothie a try, and I encourage you to make it your own. Stevia can be an acquired taste, so if it's too strong for you, stick with the banana, or you can kind of do half and half until you get used to its flavor. I've included below a link to the full recipe, and I've also included a link to my website where you can find a ton of other flavor-packed, nutritious, and healthy recipes to kick off the new year. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time.